There's a very defined level of thought and care that has been put into the event planning and execution, from the attendee list to the speakers who are slated, and it's a very well run, very well organized event as a whole.
The right people are here, so we're definitely having some good quality conversations. Spoke to a good few customers already today, so it's going well.
I think it's a high concentration of learning topics, and they're diverse in their nature, and they're very appealing to my businesses because of everything that we're doing, from the development, from land use, all the way through commissioning. And every session has something that I can take out of it and apply to our business.
The main message of my presentation was about the future of data centers, and mainly I wanted to discuss the role of CFD analysis, computational fluid dynamics, in managing and predicting the risk in the future, and mention that how it can be applied in our day-to-day work to predict these risks.
The audience have come to me after many of the presentations to follow up on quite a few questions and quite a few aspects to actually address. So I see a lot of the engagement, through some of the breaks and the discussions when it's more informal. Some key questions obviously asked inside right after the presentation. So to me, what I'm finding is the audience is extremely engaged with all the topics that we've had, with a blend of questions asked afterward, and also more on the formal front in there. But you can definitely see with the quality and the caliber of those questions that the teams are very knowledgeable and very engaged in the answers to some of the questions that are there. Because ultimately it's going to impact them and how they do their job, how they operate, and how they do their day-to-day planning.
I've made some valuable new connections during this event so far. I've met some people in the local area, especially around Ashburn and Data Center Alley, but also with some of the policymakers for nuclear, which I also have a huge interest in.